He is God. He is God, the breath within the dawn, the light that breaks when hope seems gone, the whisper through the pain, the balm that suits the ache again. He is God. He is God, the courage in the flame when all around denies his name, the stillness in the storm, the hand that holds a trembling form. He is God. The calm when trumpets rise, the truth behind 1,000 lies, the song within the night, the voice that turns our fear to flight. He is God. He is God when tears fall down like rain. He walks with us through fire and pain, the strength when we are weak, the word our weary hearts still sick. He is God. When trials come like waves upon the shore, and faith feels small and hearts are sore, when mountains rise too high to climb, and joy feels lost in passing time, He is God. He is God, the lifter of our head, the one who wakes the sleeping dead, the healer of the soul, the one who sees and makes us whole. He is God. In every loss, in every gain, through seasons dry or filled with rain, in desert long and dry, He sends His wind, He lifts the sky. He is God. Because He is God, when silence fills the air and we are not sure if He is there, when friends have walked away and shadows stop the age of the day, He is God. He is God in grief too deep to name, in every fire, every flame. He is God. He is God in battles not yet won, in prayers unanswered still. The Son is God. He is God, the justice and the grace, the holy light upon His face, the Lamb upon the throne, the one who calls our hearts His own. He is God. In brokenness, in burdens we can't bear, in silent streams, in desperate prayer, when dreams are dust and hopes expire, He breathes on ash and sparks a fire. He is God. He is God, the King above all kings, the Lord of mercy, the Lord of grace, the Lord of His wings, our ever-present help and friend, the Alpha, the first, the final and the end. He is God. In war and peace, in drought and flood, He bought us His precious blood. He is God. He is God, the maker of the stars. He bears our wounds, He knows our scars. He is God, the vine, the branch, the root. He is the harvest and the fruit. That is what all He is. He is God. So when you walk through furnace heat, or find your faith beneath your feet, and when the road is rough and long, He is your shield, your strength, and your song. He is God. In every breath we take, in every holy risk we make, through every rising tide, in every fall He stands beside us, because He is God. The echo in our souls, the one who's near when no one knows. Through trials, tests, and times, tribulation as well, forever faithful, strong, sublime. He is God. And when the race is final, run, and we behold the rising sun, will fall in awe before His face and shout the anthem of His grace. Because He is God.